What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna basically be reviewing all my slimes, and I don't think any of them are underactivated, but just in case if they are, I have a little bit of some activator, and it's in like this little Elmer's bottle because I don't know, it just was meant to be in the Elmer's bottle, I guess. And don't mind like this right here. Before this video, I was playing with slime, so yeah. And then the little glitters fall out of slime sometimes, so yeah, I just like don't like that. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, comment down below when done for a possible notification. JK Slime and Slime Sisters. They are very helpful on how to make slime. I know Slime Sisters has a couple of slime. Go check out JK Slime. I'm actually on one of her videos. We did a collab, and actually I did show my face, so yeah, if you guys want to go check out her channel to see what my face looks like before one of my videos hit 10 likes, then go check it out. But yeah, make sure to tell your friends to go subscribe to their channel, and then subscribe to mine, tell them that I sent them to, and yeah. That just made no sense, but with no further ado, let's get straight on with the video. Woo. Okay, so the first slime is very simple and easy. It's like this ocean blues is what I call it, and this is great for slime ASMR because it's like clay slime and it's really glossy. I love the slime so much. Like, here, I don't think I have anything to spread it with, so I'm gonna just spread it with my finger. But yeah. This one, I would say, is a little bit on the harder side, but yeah. I actually seen this thing on YouTube where you add hand sanitizer to your slimes and to butter slimes, and it kind of just makes them softer and more stretchier. So, if I can get that off my hand, I have some, if I can find it, y'all. Oh, guys, I'm getting it out of my backpack, so, because I carry hand sanitizer with me on my backpack at all times. So yeah, I just use this Equate hand sanitizer with aloe. And yeah, I don't know how much to pour, so I'm gonna put about that much. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. It's also clear. I know hair gel works for slime and great to like soften them, but I don't know about hand sanitizer. And yeah. This is very, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I know it's getting softer, but it's like getting not crackalackly. I don't know how to explain that, guys, but this slime's very thick. Super thick, and it's got some more hand sanitizer to get in. Let me just put the camera over there. Don't mind that Tide bottle right there. That's just there. But yeah, because right before this video, I had to fill my little glue bottle up a little bit more tight, so in case some of my slimes were unactivated, I could activate them. And the heater just came on, guys, so please don't mind that the heater is very loud. I'm gonna switch y'all right about there. So we're gonna see if this stretches or not. Let me put it right there. I mean, it stretches. I wouldn't say it stretches more than it did before because it's kind of like the same. Maybe I added too little. I don't know. I'm just gonna try adding some more real quick. And yeah, guys, after this video at 4:30, I will be posting a video that is using only ingredients I hate in slime. So yeah, make sure to go check that video out. That's gonna be really fun. Mainly because I love making slime. But I could tell this did start to get better actually. But it feels like it kind of lost some of the clay in thickness. But it doesn't really matter to me because I don't really care about the slime. I really had the slime for forever. So my slime collection needs to kind of get a little bit more littler. But no, it's okay. This next slime is what I call watermelon sorbet, and this one has sprinkles that you can add to it that I made myself, but I haven't added them yet because they're not done drying. But yeah, it's like a really watermelon-y color. Sorry my lighting's getting good then bad. It's because like I'm standing right in front of the light, so I'm gonna try to not do, but if I do, just don't mind it, I guess. This one's very weird. I actually just made this one today, and all I used was paint, some Elmer's School Glue, and some Tide, and it's really good, and I like it a lot. Yeah, this next slime, I wouldn't really count this as a slime. It's really little. I just had to get this out of the way because it's like right in the way of where I put slimes at. So yeah, it's really little. And this one was actually Flarp, and then my friend at school put like some purplish, grayish color in it. So now it's like that color. But yeah, and I'm keeping it in here. I really don't want it, but yeah, my friend gave it to me. This next slime is, it was an iceberg slime, and then I decided to keep it, so yeah. It still has like the little iceberg thingies, bobbers in it. This one is called Elsa's Crown, and it has like these little glitters in it, and it's a white slime. And I believe this one was activated with contact lens solution, so, and baking soda, of course. And there's a little bit of added shaving cream, like the tiniest bit, but you know. This one's really good, and I really love it. This next slime is called Cloud Streams. Like, you know, she's jealous because this cloud slime's so good. I actually got this fake snow from Walmart. They're selling fake snow there. Make sure to go and get some if you all like cloud slime. It's very cheap. It's about $6, and they give you about, I would say, a little bit bigger than this slime, and it's full of fake snow. And if you guys know that you don't have to add a lot of fake snow in here to make a really good cloud slime, it's not residuey at all. This one was actually clear glue based, and you can kind of see it's so clear. So yeah, I can't believe that Crazy Art made fake snow. But yeah, Elmer's needs to step their game up. I'm just playing Elmer's. Elmer's has really good glue. So like, yeah. This one has like little excess on it, and that's because I made the slime in here, and I added like all the fake snow and stuff, and I can't get it off unless I wash it, and I really don't want to wash this because my cloud slime is going to end up drying out. So yeah, next slime is a glow in the dark cloud slime. At the end of the video, I will show you guys that it goes in the dark, or one of my next videos, because I'm not trying to make this the longest slime that you've ever seen. This is very, I don't know, feel like it needs activator, but like when you start needing it, it doesn't, but when you don't, it does. It's very weird. It's like I overactivated the snow, I think. So like, it's like really sizzly. Like, listen to this, guys. Here, let me get some. Like, listen to it. Like, yeah. Sorry my hands are so up close. My camera wasn't focusing. So, sorry that this thing right here, that thing's just a paint bucket, because I don't know, it's just been there on my videos. So yeah, this next slime, I really don't think I really need to say much about it. It's the slime that I was playing with in my intro. It's like just so good. I can't believe it. Sorry, the air conditioning is coming back on again, so like, yeah. This one's called Ice Break. Like, you gotta take an ice break. Comment down below some video ideas. I really need some video ideas, guys. I'm trying to hurry up because I don't want to make this like a 30-minute long video, but then again, I might. Yeah, guys, mind you, this is only a part 1. It's gonna be part 2 and a part 3, but I'm doing 10, I believe, slimes in each one. So yeah, this is only my 8th slime. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this is my 7th. Oh, 8. It is my 8th. But this one's really sizzly too. Like, listen to this, guys. Sorry, I had to put it up to the camera for you guys to be able to listen, but this one has overactivated snow in it too, so this was just a glitter glue slime. Now it's like almost a full gallon, and I used half of that Crazy Art fake snow thing, but yeah. It's really sizzly and nice. So moving on to slime number 9. I can figure out how to close this to go. It is a mini slime again. If I can get it. It looks like paint, like a burgundy paint, but it's actually slime. It's a cloud cream slime. It has some glitter in it. I just put it in there with my camera. My camera ain't focusing, guys. Let me just pick it up. Is it gonna focus? Is it gonna focus? Is it gonna focus? Okay, guys, so I can't tell. Okay, it's focusing again. But yeah, this is a cloud cream slime. It's very nice. I freaking love it. It's like the best slime ever. I actually played with this a lot. That's why it's like a mini slime, because it used to be a 4-ounce slime, I believe. But I've had it for so long and played with it so much that I lost it. Moving on to slime number 10, which is the last slime. And I'm going to try to get this all out, but I might not be able to. Oh, yeah, I can. So I actually got this slime. I actually made it, but this was made with a different kind of glue than Elmer's. It was made with this all-purpose glue, and it was clear glue. Or I believe this was what? This was Elmer's, actually. Because I remember, because I was almost out of glue, and so I filled the thing at Elmer's glue up with a lot of water. And then I just activated it, so now it's very nice. Like, listen to this, guys. You ready? Wait, here's how we know it's a good jiggly slime. This is probably a bad one, because I don't know how to make jiggly slime. But yeah, it has some things in it, because I've dropped it on the floor a lot of times. But like, listen, it sounds really watery. This has Orbeez in it. Crushed up Orbeez. And yeah. So how you know it's a good jiggly slime is if I can break a piece off and it goes directly back in it. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Wait, there was a hair in this. Wait. Comment down below, guys. Is this a good slime or a bad slime? I honestly don't know, because jiggly slimes are my favorite slime. As I've said in other of my videos, it's just very soothing to play with sometimes when you like are really stressed or something, and you can just grab some jiggly slime and it sounds like water. So yeah, it's more time. So yeah, I actually could probably fit one more slime in. But yeah, this next slime is a clay slime. And this slime is very weird to get open, so this video might have to be paused if I can't get this open, and I will have to go open. Oh no, I can get it open. So let me just I always do this in my slimes, guys. I take out the parts with the floamies. This is like a pumpkin patch slime. It has popcorn beads in it. Actually different kinds, because like, look. My brother's up there playing Fortnite, so sorry if you guys hear any noise in the background, or have been hearing noise in the background. My brother's just up there playing Fortnite. I'm gonna get the lighting real good. Like I said, if this this video gets to 10 likes, I will be doing a face review. So yeah, any of my videos get to 10 likes, I'll be doing a face review. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post another video. Peace!